Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do a quick diamonddotz unboxing because I found out I have a lot of those paintings. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that as well. So I'm not joking. Since I've been going and trying to organize my stash for a recording that I'm planning to do, I started pulling out a lot of the different brands that I have. And I have several, a lot of some specific brands, and I found diamonddotz is one that I actually have a good number of them. And I found this one. And honestly, I kind of forgot about this one because originally I have completed a diamonddotz, which was a sunflower one that I just love. And I found out that, oh, there's a lavender field one. So I picked it up and, put it with the rest of my stash, and it completely slipped my mind. Since I moved to my current residence, I pretty much, I think I've said it before, shoved everything in my closet. I try to organize the best I could, but when you're moving, nothing really goes as you plan. So a lot of my diamonddotz are kind of all over the place. And when I was going through organizing, I found this one. And this painting is called Sunset Lavender. And this one specifically was bought from Walmart. And the reason I know is whenever I see this little emblem, the special edition or exclusive design, they're sold at Walmart. And I know I did not purchase this in the store. I purchased it through the Walmart website, which a lot of my diamonddotz I did purchase through the Walmart website, because you can find pretty much any that they offer sold through Walmart specifically. And I found this one. It's beautiful lavender field. It's wrapped around the box, as you can see. It's so pretty. I've seen this painting completed, and that's why I really wanted to pick it up. Same price as it usually is, even online and in the store. This one was $9.88. That price never, not that I know of, has ever changed. So unless it's on clearance, then they'll knock it down around $7 that I've shown in my other videos. So for this one, it is a 36 by 27 centimeter for the design, or 14.2 by 10.6 inch, or a 44 by 35 centimeters, 17.3 by 13.8 inches, which is the fabric. Design size is the drill field. The fabric is the whole canvas. Found that out because I didn't know that. And there's more information on here. It's pretty much anything that you're curious about the painting. I love that they put the little image at the end of the box, because that's how I spotted it. I saw it kind of, unfortunately, on top of larger canvas boxes, and I saw, oh my goodness, this itty bitty boxes under there. That's how I figured out it was a diamonddotz, because I saw the edge. So I really do love they put them at the bottom of the box. On the side, it does have information of the painting, a small little picture, and this painting has 38 colors. And once completed, the total numbers of diamonds placed is 11,844. It is a smaller canvas, but I really love diamonddotz. I love their diamonds. They're so shiny and pretty. I'm a big fan of them. So you can probably tell by the image of the painting, this painting, well, I've seen it with a lot of diamonddotz. There's a lot of confetti in it, which I don't mind because, as I said, I love their diamonds. So that's why as soon as I saw it, I knew it's going to have confetti. And on the other side, it has the same information as the other for the dimensions of the painting. It's interesting. One side gives you mostly dimensions. The other side tells you about the diamonds. That's a big fan of their boxes because they also have all the info. In the back, if you're new to diamond painting, pretty much steps on the craft, and information about the kit, and information just on production and your standard warnings. Also their social media. And again, apologies, I don't know why I said it like that. The name of this canvas is a Sunset Lavender, and they have cataloged it as an intermediate painting. I can see that because, as I said, I can see how much confetti you'll have, so it will take a bit. And this is the indicator DD4.292. If you're searching for the painting, you can locate it by this number if you search it specifically, if you want to really find a specific painting. So the other thing I really love about diamonddotz, they're really, how do I word it? I don't want to say simple because I think that's a little rude. They're really clean. Yeah, that sounds a little better. Sorry, I had to say that. So I really love unboxing them. They're diamonds, which they do put the kit within the diamonds. and their canvas. So let's look at the diamonds a bit. If you've never, purchased or done a diamond dot painting, apologies for the crinkly noise. I gotta take the diamonds out, y'all. It does include a standard kit. So it has everything you would need. The standard tray, the wax, and the pen. And just in case you need a diamond painting, all you would really need to do is pour any diamond color you're going to work on onto the tray, have the pen press into the wax, press it into the diamond, press it on the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. Do not worry, diamond dots always include the standard kit. So in case you lose it or in case it breaks or anything, don't worry, the next canvas will have one as well. This one's a little fancier because it comes with a grip, and usually a lot of standard kits do not come with a little grip, and all you really do is put it in the pen, and it's for comfort, especially if you're painting for so many hours. I know I'm not the only one. And you don't have to worry about it hurting your fingers when you're painting. That's why I like these little grips. And I love this wax. The little clear purple is my favorite because when you use it and it dries on the diamonds, you don't really spot it. I've never seen it, so that's why I really love this wax. That's why I'm a big fan of it. So let me put it on the side real quick. And these are the wonderful diamonds. Now, diamond dots sometimes surprises me. It surprises me because sometimes they have a special diamond. Usually it's an AB diamond, which, in case you're not familiar with the term, is Aurora Borealis. That's what it stands for. It represents the northern lights. So AB diamonds have a little beautiful prismatic effect on them, and I'm a big fan of that. Sometimes I do catch them in the painting. I've never seen one of their boxes state, oh, AB's included, or anything like that. Unless it's real fine print and I don't see it. Their diamonds are always in long strips of these little packets. I really like these packets because I know they're secured and they are vacuum sealed. So I really actually prefer these. And I do have a lot of other paintings from another company that has the same thing. That's why I have no problems with these little packets. As you can see, they're really nice and sealed. They are in numerical order, which I'm a big fan of, because since I do kit up in numerical the way it is in the legend, I'm a big fan of these. As you can see, these beautiful colors. Sorry, I was trying to go into order, but I kind of mixed them up. As I said, they are in numerical order. And the thing with diamond dots, as you can see the numbers, 8110, 8097, 8001, so on and so forth, they have their own numerical indicator for the diamonds. They do not go under DMC numbers. But there is a conversion chart on their website that, for example, myself, I do save even diamond dots, spare diamonds, just in case, I save them as a backup. There is a converter that if 8010 could be DMC code, I'm just going to throw a number out there, 840, for example. That's how you know, oh, that's the DMC number, and you can save the diamond if you wish to stay under DMC. Or you can always just stay with the diamond dots number, however you want to save them. I do DMC, so that's why I convert it. I like making things complicated. And as you can see, they're all in numerical order. And you can see all of these beautiful colors. I love all these greens. Dark purple. I saw that dark violet. Ooh, I really like that color. And lighter violet. As you can see, they're kind of close. It's 106, 107. You can see the difference that one's dark and one's lighter. I really like these colors. Apologies, I think I should have showed the canvas first, but I really wanted to show the diamonds because I wanted to see what the colors on this one will be. And since this painting is a lavender field, makes sense why there's so many different tones of purple. Oh my goodness, I really like that yellow. And since there is a sunset, it makes sense as well why there's a whole bunch of different tones of yellow. I really like that dark blue. Ooh, there's a darker blue. There's a nice dark brown as well, and a whole bunch of browns. Really love the colors of these diamonds. And it's the last strip, I believe. Yeah, this painting, it had only 3 strips. The largest, well, I haven't done. There are really large diamond dots canvases, and you can locate them on their website. That I've seen are gorgeous, but I haven't had a chance to order one. I've been thinking of picking one up, but I'm happy with these little small ones because they're really quick and they're really available, accessible. Sorry, that's the word I was looking for. Since you can look it online on the Walmart website, and you can find it at a really discounted price. That's why I really, Love purchasing these smaller ones. Yep, there are no ABs in this one, but that's fine. I really do like the diamonds. I noticed 3865. You can totally tell. It's really, really bright white, and the indicator here is 8412 for diamond dots. I know you're 3865. So let me put these diamonds aside. I just really wanted to show the color and just show how just beautiful these diamonds are. You can see a nice little shine. Big fan. I really love these diamonds. And it's a little canvas as well. It has a little dust-proof bag, which I do save for whether I'm working on the painting or if I complete it, I'm going to store it away. I do put it back in the bag. I love these bags. I'm a big fan of them. Ooh, apologies. I tapped the microphone a bit. And this is the canvas. The canvas as well is really nice and soft and velvety, as you can hear them when I do that. The edges are scalloped and I believe, yep, they're poked. It's to help the edges from fraying. And this is the canvas. I always love how they kind of curl up little canvas to make it fit in the box. I'm a big fan of that. I don't know why it makes it a little easy. Ooh, it's a little smaller than I thought. Huh. Looking at it. And a little paper in it is as well instructions in case you're new to the craft, and thanking you for the purchase. Anything as tips as well, and about their website and for their selling of this painting through Walmart. It explains it here as well, and pretty much anything you need, especially if you're new to the craft. It has anything to assist you, you know, for when you're starting. I like these little papers. I do save them. Sometimes I do give them out. It sounds funny when I say it. I do give them out to anyone who's interested in the craft that I know. I don't mind handing them out because I have so many. And they do appreciate it. So that's why I'm a big fan of handing out those. The kind of, to me, it makes me feel I'm giving out diamond painting flyers, instructions of how to start. Actually, that's kind of nice. I should word it that way. Sorry, I was rolling it the other way to keep it curling up. As you can see, this beautiful canvas. Oh my goodness, there's so much purple on it. And that's why blue is my favorite color, but I do love purple too. And when I saw that it was a lavender field, I really wanted to pick it up. The canvas, as you can see, is really clear. The drill field is really clear as well. And they do something interesting at the edging. As you can see, the edge doesn't stick, which I'm a big fan of because I know most of the time with paintings, we put washi tape around the edge just to keep the stick on the edge from, you know, getting dirty, or to help, kind of help the diamonds straight. I really love that they do that for the canvas because myself, I lean my hand a lot. So that's why I appreciate that I don't have to worry about the stick. The canvas does have the legend on both the left and the right, which I'm a big fan of because I spin my canvas around whenever I'm painting, and as I said, it has 38 colors and indicates everything on the side. It also has a numerical indicator, as diamonddotz has it numbered, which, so in case once you've already kit up and you're not too sure about the number, do not worry, it's on the legend as well. Especially if you decide to save and convert, you can just refer back to this, which I really do appreciate that. At the bottom, on the bottom left, it has the name of the painting, set lavendar. I believe this is French. My apologies if I'm wrong. And it has the dimensions both in the design and the fabric size, and the name of, I believe this is the designer, Elena. Apologies, I do not want to mispronounce the last name, so I'm not going to say it. And the website's dreamstime.com. This is a light. Diamonddart's paintings are licensed paintings. And you can always see, just in case you're not too sure, usually at the bottom it states the name of the artist of the painting. And you can also go onto their website as well. It'll let you know, oh, our paintings are licensed. That's why I have no problem with these paintings. And the cover, plastic cover, is a really sturdy plastic, as you can hear. And the stick, ooh, super lost of fingerprint, is no joke. I've never had any issues of diamonds falling or anything, any issue in that way. And so I'm a big, big fan of these paintings. Ooh, I'm really looking at it. And as it says, it's a 36 by 27 centimeters. Even with all the confetti, give me a couple of weeks, I can probably finish it. This is such a good springtime painting. I think this one I'll start up next year in the spring, because I've been looking at paintings that I want to do, and now that I've actually seen what this one looks like, you know, the actual painting, I'm really thinking of working on it. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm a big fan of it. And even after a while, it'll start laying on its own. Myself, I hang the paintings up on my cabinets that I have kind of it kind of looks like a clothesline, so I just hang them with a little clip, and usually probably a couple days the creases will start evening out, and you'll start seeing the canvas all nice and straight, especially with the painting I'm going to start doing. This one I don't think I'll hang up, but probably beginning of spring I'll hang it up and make sure to do a kit video for you all. Ooh, I really like this painting. And all of this, for this painting, I'll make sure to put the information below, just in case this little design is one that you'd like to work on as well. So I just wanted to show this canvas today. I do have several more diamond dots, which I need to hunt and look for in my closet, and I'll make sure to show them to y'all. So yeah, I really wanted to show this and this is really budget friendly, really wonderful canvas. So I really wanted to show these, especially since I do have, as I said, a couple more. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. It really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Even beautiful fields of lavender. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.